Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to apply custom CSS on specific post using post ID in WordPress. Before starting work, as per request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our post. So we are going to apply custom CSS on specific post using post ID. Now go to edit post, and this is our post ID 5562. So this is our post. Now you see. Now go to customize section, and we are in additional CSS. Now paste, and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. So we are going to change title color red, and we are going to apply this CSS on specific post using post ID. Now go to edit post. Now you see 5562. So in custom CSS we added 5562 ID. Now you see. Now you see class we are using post ID hyphen 5562, and then you see class. So you can add any class or ID according to requirement, and then you can add your custom CSS here, and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to post page and refresh the page. Now you see custom CSS apply on this post only. So we change title color. So you can add your post ID here, and then you can add your class or ID. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.